Dame lollipop, chocolate. Mi mangala mucha dulce y bonita. Mi cabeza de morena.
¡Mamma mía! ¡Bulería! Justin from SOS 95.9.
First time on the island, and we're ready for tomorrow.
I don't think you're ready.
I don't think so.
I don't think you're ready.
I don't think so.
You're gonna be surprised tomorrow. It's a beautiful morning.
Hey, how you doing? Bulería tonight.
It's not about money. It's not about money.
It's all about love. A small island on the map is what makes the difference.